The Tornado Flex Insulated AD hose is a lightweight hose designed for non-permanent industrial air movement applications. It features an insulation barrier, but is nonetheless highly flexible and compressible. This hose is made from a single-ply PVC-coated polyester fabric. It's reinforced with a spring steel wire helix for added durability. It also features a flame retardant composition. It has a temperature range of -20 to +180 degrees Fahrenheit. This hose also features an external wear strip that protects the hose's exterior from abrasions. We offer it in many different interior diameter sizes, as well as 2 standard lengths. We'll also happily customize the hose to meet your desired specifications. Special end cuffs are available upon request.